In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track cryptocurrency price changes over time on CoinGecko. If you want to understand a coin, today's price is just a snapshot. What really matters is how it moves across different periods. Start by opening CoinGecko, searching for the coin you're interested in, and tapping into its page. Scroll until you reach the price chart. That's your control center for everything we're about to do. First, adjust the time frame. You'll see tabs like 24H, 7D, 1M, 3M, 1Y, and Max. The 24H view shows short-term movement, great for intraday swings. Switch to 7D to see the weekly trend, then use 1M or 3M for a medium-range picture that smooths out noise. Tap 1Y for long-term performance, and Max to view the coin's full history. Moving through these windows is the simplest way to see whether momentum is building or fading over time. Next, switch from the default line chart to the candlestick chart for deeper analysis. Each candle summarizes the open, close, high, and low for your selected period. Tall wicks and wide bodies signal volatility, while consistent higher highs and higher lows suggest an uptrend. Candles make it easier to spot reversals and confirm whether a breakout looks convincing. On the same page, pay attention to percentage changes. CoinGecko displays the percent move over 24 hours, 7 days, and 30 days. These snapshots quickly tell you how fast price is moving and whether the direction aligns across multiple periods. If 24H is green but 30D is red, momentum may be short-lived. Use the compare feature to overlay charts for multiple coins. For example, line up Ethereum against Bitcoin over the same time frame to see which one outperformed. Comparing on identical windows gives you an apples-to-apples read. Don't look at price in isolation. Pair it with volume, which confirms trading activity, and market cap, which reflects total value. A rising price with strong volume often supports a durable trend. A rising price on weak volume is a caution flag. Market cap helps you judge whether a move in a small project is meaningful or just noise. Avoid common mistakes like only checking the 24H price, ignoring long-term trends, skipping charts, or following hype without data. Better habits include checking 1Y or Max to understand the big picture, zooming in and out to spot patterns, and always combining price, volume, and market cap. Avoid making decisions on short-term spikes. With these tools, you'll turn raw numbers into clear insight and make more confident, data-driven decisions.